It's time for you to stop procrastinating and start working on launching your YouTube channel. I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process on how to start your YouTube channel, launch it, and make sure you're getting views and subscribers on day one. Let's go. Hi and welcome back. My name is Trina if you are new here, and on this channel I'm committed to helping you do YouTube better. I'm doing this by providing you no fluff tips, tricks, and tutorials on how to get more leads to your business through YouTube or how to get more subscribers on your YouTube channel. Like I said, in this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to start your YouTube channel so you can ensure views and subscribers are coming in on day one. So let's just get right to it. Step number one is to choose a topic you love. Look, you're gonna be talking a lot about this topic on your YouTube channel. I'm talking about YouTube all the time, so I have to love YouTube. And to start seeing traction on a brand new channel, which is what I want to happen for you, is you've got to talk about the same topics over and over and over. You really wanna start to be known as the channel for XYZ. So I'm the channel for no fluff tips and tricks on how to use YouTube to grow your business or how to grow a YouTube channel. All right, so what is that specific sweet spot for you that you love to talk about that you can start building your channel around? Now, don't get too worried about getting stuck into this topic. This is just the first step to start seeing traction on YouTube. Once more people start coming to your channel, then you can start broadening that topic. It's also important for you to love your topic because people are going to see whether you're passionate about it or not. And it's going to be a lot easier for you to get on camera and talk about these things if you're passionate about it. Otherwise, it's going to be a task that you don't like doing, and you're just not going to end up loving what you do. So make sure you pick a YouTube channel topic that you actually love. The next step is to have a clear value proposition for your channel. You see, when you start a YouTube channel, people don't care about you. They want to know, what are you going to do for them? How are you going to help them? And it needs to be a little more detailed than to have a healthier life or to grow a business. What's that next level down? Is it to grow a business so you can spend time at home with your family? Is it to have a healthier life so you can live to see your kids get married and have grandchildren? The more you can hone down into that true emotion on why people need help with the topic you're talking about, the easier it's going to be for you to connect with that viewer, and the more likely that viewer is going to come back and watch your videos over and over and over and become a loyal, diehard subscriber. And the more likely that subscriber is going to refer you to more people and tell more people to watch your videos. So I want you to really dig into your target audience and their true pain points on why they need your help, which leads me into step number 3, and that's knowing your target audience. Now, this doesn't mean they're male or female, ages 18 to 24, and they live in the Midwest. I'm not talking about demographics here. I'm talking about where in their life is your target audience? Why do they need to watch you? I talked a little bit back in value proposition about how they want to get healthier so they can see their kids get married or have grandchildren, because the types of videos that you start creating for them are going to be totally different than the types of videos you're going to create for somebody who wants to get healthy to just lose weight, like to just look better and to want to lose weight. Once you can truly understand your clear target audience and the value you're going to bring to them, it's going to be so much easier for you to create videos that get smack in front of these people better than any kind of Facebook ads targeting. Step number 3 is to think through your branding. And I'm not just talking about the fonts and the colors that go with your channel. I'm talking about the consistency in your branding. So the consistency on when you're posting, the consistency of the style of video you're doing, the consistency on the setup, like the background of your videos. People need that consistency, and they want to know what to expect when they come to your channel. If they constantly expect you doing a screen tutorial because you're teaching people how to build a website, then if they come to your channel and it's a vlog video and you're showing people what you're doing in your life, they're not really going to be hooked to that at the beginning. Until you build up that following and those die-hard subscribers, that's when you can start doing that type of vlogging. But in the very beginning, where you're starting right now, you've got to be consistent. The more consistent you are, the quicker your channel is going to grow. The next step is to start brainstorming your video ideas. So you know what your value proposition is, you know who your target audience is, you know what posting schedule and what your videos are going to look like. Just start brain dumping any ideas that you have for your channel. Do you already have a blog? What are your most popular blogs, or what are the blogs on your website getting the highest traffic? Same with Pinterest. If you're pinning on Pinterest, what are your most repinned pins? Or what types of questions are people always asking you that you know they want to hear from you? And just dump them all down. You should really be able to come up with 50, 60, 70, even 100 video ideas as you start brain dumping. Now, not all videos are going to be great, because I'm going to show you how to start researching these videos to make sure they're a good video to get in front of your target audience. But the more you can just get down on paper, the more chances those videos are going to be able to transfer into actually filmed videos. Now that you have your list of videos, we're going to move into mapping out your YouTube strategy. This is a step so many people don't do, and this is why their YouTube channels don't grow as fast as they could. Because it's not just about throwing a video up on YouTube and hoping it sticks. That's basically like throwing spaghetti at a wall and hoping the spaghetti sticks on the wall. It's not gonna happen. So what you wanna do is start researching your video ideas and see which ones are going to do well on YouTube. I like to just go to the YouTube search bar and start searching my topic, and I'm looking for videos in search that are getting more views than that channel has subscribers. That means that video topic is something people are searching for. That video is getting views from search and suggested, and not just from that channel's subscribers. That's a key to me that I need to create a video similar to this. Did I have it listed in my ideas? Done. It's going on my list to film. This is also a little strategy that a lot of people don't do. You want to start grouping videos together that you could ultimately put into a playlist. So for me, I'm kicking off a series here on my channel today about starting a YouTube channel for beginners. I've already mapped out the next 4 videos, and so I can put them into a playlist, and it makes sense when I have them all up there for you, the viewer, to watch video 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's accumulating views for me and watch time. And so YouTube's gonna recommend more of this content, especially if, let's say, I can get people to start here on video 1 and watch 4 more videos. YouTube's gonna push me out to more people, helping me grow my YouTube channel. So what I want you to do is look at your video ideas, the validated ones that are going to work, and can you group them together into series or to playlists? These don't need to be part 1, 2, 3. They just make sense for a viewer to go from this video to the next one to the next. Think Netflix style binge. The next step is your equipment, and this hangs so many people up. And really, you can get started with a smartphone. This guy right here is good enough. Most phones nowadays, the cameras are perfect. What's gonna make or break your video quality is your lighting. So just stand in front of a window with natural light, or go to a hardware store and get some daylight balanced light bulbs. This is the cooler light bulb that you want to get that's going to give you this whiter light look that I have. You'll also want to think about your audio quality. I'm currently using a Blue Yeti microphone, but you can get started with your earbuds that come with your phone, or a lavalier mic. I actually have a list of all of my equipment listed down below that you can click on and get emailed right to you, so you can see what I suggest. And this is equipment that ranges in pricing all from like $10 to like my ring light and my camera that are over a couple $100. Okay, now it's time to create that YouTube channel. I don't really want to get into the nitty-gritty steps on how to actually go to Google, create a YouTube channel, and do all of that. I have a video that you can check out right up here. I'll link it in a card. But what I want you to get out of this is that it's going to be really important for you to have your channel homepage set up. So you want to customize your channel homepage and make sure you have your About section filled out and your channel banner. You really want to make your YouTube channel look as professional as possible. And these are the 3 important things that you've got to do to make it look as professional as possible when you're getting started. Moving right along, now it's time to script your videos. And I understand you think that maybe you can wing it, maybe you know what you're going to talk about, but it's really important to follow a specific format that works here on YouTube. By scripting your videos, you're able to really think about how are you going to hook people in the first 10 seconds here on your video. You're also going to want to make sure you're staying on task and you're being very direct in the content that you're sharing. As you're getting started here on YouTube, how-to videos and tutorials are going to be great for your channel. And so you want to make sure that you're explaining these in easy to follow steps or tips. You don't have to script it word for word, but definitely having some type of outline is going to really help your videos perform better. It's going to help more people want to subscribe to your channel, and it's going to get your content out to more people. Then it's time to film. And my best advice on filming is, if possible, filming more than one video in a day. I get the equipment set up is difficult, and finding the time and doing the hair and makeup. There's a lot of moving pieces when it comes to shooting video. So I know when it's time for me to shoot a video, I'm shooting at least 12 to 15 videos. I have 12 videos over here on my computer, scripted, ready to go today because I have an empty house. There's no kids running around to interrupt me. And I've also blocked my schedule off to focus on videos. So if you're going to film your videos, try to shoot at least 2 or 3 videos that same day and block an entire day off for yourself so that you can commit to that. All right, now after you're done filming, remember to take a thumbnail photo. What I like to do is, as soon as I'm done, I turn my camera over to self timer and I take a couple photos of myself sitting here, posing, making some faces, doing something for my thumbnail. It's going to save you so much time, and it's going to be a lot easier if you have actual photos to use for your thumbnails instead of trying to grab a screen capture through your video. Okay, now it's time to edit your videos. And understand that when you're first getting started editing, it's gonna take a little bit of time to learn, to get it mapped out, but the more you do it, the easier it's going to get. When I first start with a client editing their videos, it takes me double the amount of time than normal because I'm setting up a format in Final Cut Pro that I can easily copy to that next video and the next video and the next video. So if possible, when you do edit that first video, save all of those call out screens or texts or all those things that you use so you can easily use it on the next video to make things so much quicker. Now, once you have it edited, it's going to be time to upload that video. And remember, when you upload that video, that you upload it to private. That's the little option that you get when you go to the upload screen on YouTube. That way you can schedule this video out when you want to. If you do unlisted, you won't have the option to actually schedule it at a date or time in the future. So upload it to private. Make sure you add your title, your tags, your description box content, your cards, and your end screens. And then it's time to share, share, share. You got to tell people that you have this video available. Don't just post it on YouTube and expect somebody to watch it. Tell your friends, even if you don't have an email list or a social following, just tell friends and family, hey, can you please help me out and just go watch this video? I'm trying to get this YouTube channel started, and I would really appreciate you watching this video. Now, I do have a YouTube launch roadmap. If you want to get everything that I just said in a checklist format, I'm going to list it in this card right up here in the description box. Just give me your email over there, and I'll shoot that checklist right on over to you. Now, if you want to learn the next step for you to get your YouTube channel started, make sure you click that video that's on your screen right now. Subscribe to this channel, and I will see you over in that next video. Bye.